boys or girls, it's Michael again from MTG and More and Miniature Painting. And we are going to be announcing some really cool stuff and unboxing some really cool stuff today because, well, it's a special one. It's a special episode. It's a 100th episode of Miniature Painting and the so manyth episode of MTG and More. I actually needed to think about that. Yeah, pretty stupid, right? So what I'm going to do is announce a really cool special project I was planning already for a long time. And I've got some help with this project from a couple of guys from Taiwan, and basically it's going to be building a new full Mantic, 100% Mantic army. Well, like I said, with a little special help. And what I'm going to use with the help, is make sure that all the terrain will be built by myself and printed by myself. And the help I got with this project was from no other than Phrozen. Yes, talked to those guys, made a good deal, got myself a printer. Finally, I got myself a printer. I've been waiting for so long, looking around for so long, and then a friend of mine, thank you Victor, you know who you are, I have been able to find a really cool printer for a really cost-effective price. This one was about 199 euros on their website. I'll put it in the links below. And yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. But what actually is it? It's a resin 3D printer from that guy, those guys, and that company. It's the Sonic Mini, and it's basically built around making miniatures, or at least those sizes. So when you're going to be making terrain with this printer, that's a whole different thing, and it's basically not made for that. So let's have a go with that. Let's unbox this really cool, awesome printer. So I already did some cutting. That was from a previous take. I didn't see further than this because, well, the baby started crying and I needed to start over again. I had a really cool joke with that, but just accept that it's open, and that's it. So the first thing we see, we open it, is a box full of goodies, which I am going to be opening when the camera is a little bit more close, just when you see my ugly hands again. And from what I can see right here, is that it's a really nice red hood. Let me just put it. It's not light, it's not heavy, but I'm just a pussy when it comes to weightlifting. So actually it isn't that heavy after all. It's just me not being able to lift the thing. There you go. That's it. Let's put the box aside because it really doesn't work all that good. Now what we can see, absolutely nothing yet because there's loads and loads of foil. So let's find a way to open that foil first. And actually I might need that special weapon where I did open those boxes with, that box with. So be right back. I'm going to take you to the very special thing I used to open the box. Hold on. With the speed of time-lapsing, I'm back. I've got myself a pocket knife. No, I'm actually not wearing this. Don't get me wrong, I'm a really cool guy. I'm a nice guy. So let's open it. So this is how we got here. We have got there you go, a power supply. There is a on and off switch, locked in it with it. We have a USB port on the sides. We have a really nice small display on the front, and when you lift up the hood, there you go. So, I've got myself a printer, guys. Pretty awesome. So as you can see, the bed is actually not the biggest bed a printer can offer you, but once again, I've been talking with these guys for exactly this printer because I would love a small printer myself, and I obtained one, so yeah, that's pretty cool. What stands out from this printer, as I can see it right now, and I've read of course some about it, I've been talking to the guys at Phrozen, and what is special about this printer, hold on, I do need my lighting from the PC in the back, there you go. What is so special about this printer is that it has a mono LCD screen, which lasts up to 2000 hours or just a little bit more. They're not cheap to replace, but then again, if you have a 2000 hour printer for that price of 200 euros, that would be, well, really not bad actually. So we have some mounting screws where we can take off the bath. Yeah, pretty cool. Easy mounted, easy go. There you go, stick it in there. And stick it in there. So the space helmet. See, it just fits me. Haha! Pretty awesome. The space helmet is going back on the printer. There you go. Actually, is there a way to put it? Yes, there actually is. So it needs to be put like this. We're going to put this on the side, and we are going to take a look at, not the knife, because we're going to put that away. We are going to look at the accessory box with it. But I will see you soon when my hands are more in focus than I am. Thank you for watching already, and on to the next part. See you soon. Box of accessories. I'll see what's inside. First of all, we have a manual. Oh, here it says what you have in the box. Let's not spoil it. We have the printing bed, nice and flat, which is locked into place where this is where all the prints are going to be put on. Then we have some mounting options, some buffers. Cat is doing something. Okay, some buffers which are going underneath the printer feet. Then we have a mounting wrench, some buttons, a couple of gloves, because, well, it's resin and you need it. We have a spatula to take all the stuff off. What the hell is the cat doing? And then we have a European power plug. Furthermore, we have a funnel. Is this a funnel? Let me know, guys. Is this a funnel? And we have another spatula. Actually, it's a pretty cool kit. So before we continue, I would like to say many thanks to the awesome team at Phrozen. And let's start this adventure together. I still need to have some parts and some stuff to obtain and to use and to work with. But when we're done with this, we are going to build ourselves a undead army, fully 100% maximized on
Mantic Undead. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. May the dice be forever in your favor. And let's get doing some awesome stuff and building some worlds now. I have got a printer, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.